Earth is mapped, explored, and studied. Or so we think. But what if I told you there are discoveries that don't add up? Things that defy science, challenge history, and hint at lost knowledge we were never meant to find. From ancient technology to bizarre natural phenomena, these 10 discoveries prove that our planet is far stranger than we ever imagined. Let's begin. The 2-billion-year-old nuclear reactor. Let's start with something that sounds impossible, a nuclear reactor that existed 2 billion years ago. In 1972, scientists discovered something shocking in Oklo, Gabon, a uranium deposit that had somehow undergone nuclear fission. Naturally. On its own. This means a self-sustaining nuclear reaction happened long before humans even existed. But how? Some scientists believe the conditions were just right. Others? They wonder if something, or someone, helped it along. Could Earth have hosted an advanced civilization before recorded history? Or did nature accidentally create the ultimate energy source long before us? The mysterious Yonaguni Monument. Picture this, you're scuba diving off the coast of Japan, and suddenly, massive stone structures emerge from the depths. That's exactly what happened in 1986 when a diver discovered the Yonaguni Monument, an underwater rock formation that looks eerily like an ancient pyramid. Some say it's a natural formation, shaped by underwater currents. But others? They believe it's the remains of a lost civilization, possibly over 10,000 years old, older than the Egyptian pyramids. So, did an advanced society once exist before being swallowed by the ocean? Or is this just nature playing tricks on us? The Siberian craters, giant sinkholes. In recent years, massive craters have been appearing in Siberia, some nearly 100 feet deep. At first, scientists thought they were caused by methane explosions from melting permafrost. But the real question is, why now? Is something changing beneath the Earth's surface? Are we looking at the early warning signs of a greater catastrophe? Or is there an even deeper mystery hidden inside these craters? Some researchers believe they might be entrances to underground cave systems that we've never explored. But what could be lurking down there? The unexplained fairy circles in the desert. Imagine standing in the middle of a vast desert, and the ground is covered in perfect, circular patches, millions of them. This isn't science fiction. It's real, and it happens in Namibia and Australia. Scientists have theories, maybe termites, maybe plant competition, but nobody can fully explain why these circles are so precise or why they appear in patterns that seem almost designed. Some suggest an unknown natural force at play, or maybe something even stranger. The Antarctic ruins theory. What if I told you there might be ancient ruins beneath Antarctica's ice? Satellite images and radar scans have revealed mysterious structures buried deep beneath the ice. Some researchers believe they could be remnants of an ancient civilization, one that existed before Antarctica froze over. Is it just unusual rock formations? Or could we be staring at the remains of a forgotten chapter of human history? The hum that no one can explain. Ever heard a sound so deep and low that it feels like the Earth itself is humming? Well, millions of people around the world have. It's called the hum, a low-frequency noise reported from the US to Europe to Australia. No one knows where it's coming from. Some blame underground vibrations, military tests, or even seismic activity. But others believe it could be something we're not meant to hear. What if the Earth itself is trying to tell us something? The Bagong pipes, ancient technology? Deep in the mountains of China, strange metallic pipes have been found embedded in rock formations that are over 150,000 years old. Some scientists think they might be fossilized tree roots. But others, they wonder, were these pipes part of an ancient irrigation system? If so, who built them? The bizarre movements of the boiling river. In the Amazon rainforest, there's a river that boils. Literally. Its waters reach over 200 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to kill any creature that falls in. Geologists say this should be impossible, there's no known volcanic activity nearby. Could this be a remnant of an underground magma system? Or is there an unknown energy source beneath the Earth? The impossible fossils. What happens when a 300-million-year-old rock contains a modern human shoe print? Throughout history, impossible fossils have been discovered, objects that shouldn't exist in their geological layers. Things like metal spheres in billion-year-old rock or tools seemingly left behind by someone who lived before humans were supposed to exist. Mistakes? Or evidence that history is far more complex than we thought? The Great Pyramids, older than we think? Now, for the biggest mystery, were the pyramids of Egypt built thousands of years earlier than we think? New evidence suggests water erosion on the Great Sphinx, Something that could only happen if the region was once covered in heavy rainfall. Which happened over 10,000 years ago. If that's true, then history needs a major rewrite. So, what do these discoveries tell us? That our planet is full of secrets, waiting to be uncovered. And here's the real question: if we've found this many mysteries already, how many more are still hidden beneath our feet? Let me know in the comments, which of these discoveries shocked you the most. And if you love exploring the unknown mysteries of Earth, hit subscribe. Because trust me, this planet is just getting started.